When marimba rhythms start to play, dance with me, make me sway. Like a lazy ocean hugs the shore, hold me close, sway me more. Hey, today we're going to learn how to play Sway, which is a wonderful song done by many different people. I like Dean Martin's version. Michael Buble does a great version. So there's a few little things that you can do to embellish your arrangement, and we're going to learn them all today. So hang around till the end and let's get stuck in. We're in the key of D minor. So the chords that we're going to need are D minor, G diminished 7, A7, we'll need a C chord, a C7, an F, and a B flat. It starts off with the vocal line. When marimba rhythms, that is an A note, that's the bottom open string. When marimba rhythms, G7 diminished to A7. Now we're changing on the upstroke to the A7. So if I keep it nice and straight, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So you're just taking that top finger off to get to the A7. How wonderful. We can embellish that and make it sound a little bit more pizzazzy if we go 1, a 2 and 3 and 4, 1, a 2 and 3 and 4. So that's a little 16th rhythm, 1 E and a, 1 E and a 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, a 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 E and a 2, 3 and 4 and 1, a 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, a 2 and 3 and 4 and. So altogether the verse goes. When the marimba rhythm starts to play, dance with me, make me sway. Like a lazy ocean hugs the shore, hold me close, sway me more. Then we stop. Now, at any point in this song, if you'd like to do one of these, I think you should. It's going to make you look like you're in control. So what I'm doing there is literally, you know when you're getting impatient and you're tapping on the desk or whatever it is, and you're going in that order, pinky, ring, middle, first. Now do that, but flick that way. And follow through and stop. So that's the verse, the first verse. When marimba rhythms start to play, dance with me, make me sway. And you get two of those verses, like a flower bending in the breeze. Bend with me, sway with ease. When we dance, you have a way with me. The next part is the B section that goes like this. Other dancers may be on the floor, but my eyes can see only you. Only you have that magic technique. When we sway, I go weak. C to C7 to F, and another bar of F, then A7, and then we're going to go to the B flat, and you could let that first one ring, but you're going to stop there. So that's a triplet, that's a crotchet triplet. They're tricky, those things. Can you hear my foot? So you're only getting 3 hits on the B flat. right? I'm finishing on the A7. Other dancers may be on the floor, but my eyes can see only you. Only you have that magic technique. When we sway, I go weak. Into the next verse. Now, of course, there is a song sheet for this lesson available over at my Patreon page, patreon.com/ukemullum. Head over there and grab it now. I hope you're enjoying this video, and if you are, please give me a thumbs up. Share me with your friends. Go ahead and leave me a comment below. I miss hearing from you. Can you just leave me a comment? Now, if you can't afford to be my Patreon, I understand. I'm broke too. But you can thank me for this video with a one-time payment on the heart-shaped button down below. Now, I did mention I was going to give you some things to embellish your arrangement. And here's the first one. At the beginning, you do that thing, keeping time in our minds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you hit the D minor, we're going to come straight into this riff, which is the D harmonic minor scale. So those notes are D, which is the second fret of the C string. Then we're going to go to 4 and 5. Now we're going to take those three, that shape there, 2, 4, 5, move it down one string and one fret. Okay, so we're here, and then we're going to there, and we're doing exactly the same shape. Okay, so we've got, and then we're going to move the same distance that we've just moved down one string and one fret, and then finish on fret 5. Okay. In order to get the speed up, we're going to need to employ some hammer-ons. So we start off with that one, which is 3 notes with 1 pluck. Now, I recommend not plucking at all and trying to get a sound. You need to press pretty hard. Okay? Given the pluck at the beginning gives it a bit more volume. That's the first part. Then we have a pluck on the G note there. So we're going to pluck once on the G, then come up and pluck again on the A. Then you got a little hammer on there to from the 5 to the 6. And then we're doing a hammer on fret 4 to 5, and then plucking 5. When marimba rhythms okay, the trick is it's very quick after the D minor. Be ready to go straight after you hit that. We can learn a little finger style solo. So the melody goes. We use our pinky, and then we've got. Now the reason we're using our pinky is so that we can voice the chords. So this is how I like to play it. So I go straight to the A7 and a chuck. So we've got that Latin thing going on underneath. So it's D minor, just those notes, A, G, F. If you hold the D minor shape, you can strum that with your thumb and get that in there as well. So all together. So you're coming straight back on the D minor and just plucking the F note. Then back to your G diminished 7. But you don't need to hit the bottom string. You want to hit that G string. So you're holding the shape, but you've got your pinky on the G and you're stopping there. We don't want to voice this note because that's not the melody. We just want this note. And of course, there's a tab and an MP3 practice track available over at my Patreon page for avid learner patrons. Now, I have made this video a long time ago. In fact, I think it was the second video I ever made. Back in the good old days when I thought that wearing a red tie would somehow help my views on YouTube. All I did was get very hot. Anyway, I think I'm a bit of a better teacher now, so I'm redoing this lesson, mainly because I've been doing it with my Tuesday Zoom group. Now that happens every Tuesday, and if you want to be a part of it, check the link up here or down there. It's $25 a lesson for a 45-minute session, and it's a lot of fun. There's some nice people in there. I hope you can make it. One time through, nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Other dancers may be on the floor, and so on and so forth. Hey, that was fun. Thanks for hanging out with me all the way to the end of the video. Gold star for you. I hope that you will come and join me in the next one.